Hey guys, it's me Frenchie and I'm back with another video. And today we're going to be making, oh my god, move that glove, slime. And the ingredients are glue, shaving cream. I'll just leave all the ingredients in the description. So let's just get started. First you need to pour in your glue. Just a little bit because we're making fluffy slime. And you need shaving cream. So, and this is not my dad's shaving cream, I promise. You can choose whether to add the glitter or the shaving cream first. I like to add shaving cream first because you could see how much glitter you need. So I'm just going to add the shaving cream in now. I've already added some shaving cream. You want to add as much as you want. The more you add, the fluffier it gets. But it will still be super fluffy no matter how much you add. So I'm just going to mix this up and I'll get right. I decided to just add foam beads. So I'm going to add them and I'm going to show you this. It's like really thick and creamy. And I kind of just want to keep it this color. That's why I'm not adding the glitter. So I'm just going to add the foam beads and I'll get right started. So I've added my foam beads. I just don't want them to fall. So I'm going to make some glue. And I want to call this one like expired yogurt because, or like chunky milk or something, because it looks like milk or something, or like ice cream. I might call it like vanilla ice cream with crunchies, like Rice Crispy ice cream. I don't know, I'll choose the name. Okay, so I mix it in, and you guys see it looks like an expired yogurt that has chunks. And I've got my borax solution in here with an old little medical thing that we don't use anymore. Do not use ones that you use and that you already used and that you will continue to. If it's used, it doesn't really matter. It's just if you're gonna keep on using it, I would not recommend this because this is for medications. So yeah, I'm just gonna add 1 tablespoon at a time, teaspoon at a time. So okay, so I'm adding in a little bit at a time, and you do want to add a little bit at a time if you're making foam. As you can see, it is forming. You do want to add a little bit at a time because it will, like the foam beads will stick off. And you don't want that, but it is turning into slime, as you can see. Super stretchy. So I'm just going to make it slime and I'll show it to you guys after. So this is how it should come out. I added a little bit more than a tablespoon. I added like 5 teaspoons, which is like 1 full bar of the like little suction things that I was using. You know what I mean? And like 2 more, so it's pretty cool too. So yeah, I might give this away. I'll see who I want to give it away. Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed my slime tutorial. It's super stretchy and you can poke it. It's almost died because I wanted to end the video. But I hope you enjoyed, and please leave a like, subscribe, and turn on my post notifications, and comment down below what your New Year's resolution is. Bye guys!